It's been in my wife's family since 1949, second owner. Herb and Jean Jenkins here at the NHRA Hot Rod Reunion. It's a great turnout. And so we brought our 1939 Dodge to the show here. This is actually only the second show that we've been able to bring the car to, and it's under construction, no doubt about that. My wife's uncle Tom, his favorite toy when he passed, and also her aunt. We were fortunate enough to be able to get the car and start the restoration process. So, of course, back in '39, different animal altogether. So it's basically a new old car. We've got we did air ride suspension. We built the car to be a driver. If we want to go cross country, let's do that too. So we have the air ride, put a nice LS1 in it, put a little mild cam in there so it's got a good sound to it, and it's a lot of fun to drive, that's for sure. Interior is next, and we've basically just got our seat foam in, and we actually went back with the original seat. Once we got the cover off of it, it's a work of art in itself, so it's really got that Art Deco look to it, and got some nice classic instruments on the dash, and so we're really close. We're hoping to have it done maybe in a couple of months or so.
We are firm believers in just having fun and taking that car on the road and driving it. You know, what more fun than to drive that car and get some use out of it. This is our first car show. The next one, big one, will probably be Shades of the Past in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we're ready for that as well. And we just have a good time, and we've met so many nice folks, and we'll keep the memories rolling.